The Marqub castle stands proudly atop a high hill. It overlooks the Mediterranean Sea with unique charm. It is distinguished by its massive walls and sturdy towers. It was built in the Middle Ages to protect the Syrian coast. The Crusaders used it as a powerful defensive fortress. Its black walls are built from solid basalt stone. The Mamluks restored it after reclaiming it. From its towers, the sea and distant horizon can be seen. It combines beauty and strength at the same time. It tells a history full of battles and victories. It is considered one of the greatest castles of the ancient East. It remains a symbol of Syrian pride and glory.